Hi, new video. This time one PlayStation 2 Slim with some problem. He get the picture, but have the problem with the laser unit. Here now. Here. Here is some problem. I don't know what that can be, but like some sensors don't work, and I think the laser can go a little further here. You see? Let's take to the table and disassemble and see what can I do something. This is the model, so you can see. Okay, I showed you the model because there is no sticker, but there is the guarantee sticker, so that's good. Okay, let's disassemble this little guy. Dirt. I don't think this is the problem. Somehow this laser doesn't know when he gets the end. Maybe this is the problem. This is the little switch here. The button, like a little sensor to say the microprocessor that the laser is on this end. I really don't know what can be a problem. If we scroll this here, okay, yeah, these tweezers are so bad. You see, piece of shit. I broke this one and bought another, but I should buy the same. I don't know, this for sure needs cleaning. Let's try to remove. Okay. That's the problem. Ha ha ha. I found. Now I will show you. Or maybe you already see. You see? This flat cable is broken, man. Unfortunately. Yeah. See? You see? Wow. Well, maybe I can clean this, or maybe not. This is so bad. I didn't expect that. Really. I was thinking that some of the, maybe these little sensors is the problem. Some dirt or I don't know. Well, maybe I have a replacement. Just for a second, I stopped this video. Okay, I found it. There he is. Almost same dirt. But let's try. Just to check. Are the same models. Okay. Okay, I prepared everything. This is one CD disc for PlayStation 2. Then it's reading. See? It's working. It's working. That's fine. Now let's try. This is some. You see how many scratches is there? This is DVD. Let's try. Okay, it's starting. It's loading. Okay. I'm happy with this, that disc have so many scratches. I do not have another. The newer one. I have few originals games just for testing. But probably if the disc is in better condition, the Sony will read it. Now we wait and wait. And probably the laser is wicked during the years. This is not new console. Well, okay, let's try just one more. This is the original game for PS1. Yeah. Let's see. Here we are. That's it. I will clean the console and everything and put it back. I don't know what to do with the another laser, but maybe I use that for spare parts. Maybe he's better condition than this one. I will try if I find time. but I don't think so. Thank you for your time. If you like the video, please click like. If you want to support my work, please subscribe on my channel. And until the next video. Bye bye.